Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is from a company, and I'm just going to cover up my address here. And this is EarFleek. And this is what the package looks like. Oops. So it just comes in a little mailer each month, and this is an earring subscription that you receive every month. And I think I have a few notes here so I don't forget. $3.49 a month, and you get, to choose from 4 categories: silly, fun, minimalist but groovy, Boho Babe, and I don't give a hoot. And then they will send you the earrings that coordinate with, that category. They are 100% nickel free, and you just receive 1 pair each month. So some months can be a surprise. Most of them will be a surprise. It comes with a card like this. And I wasn't going to do this video because these are the earrings that I received, and they come in a nice little plastic. These are not my favorite, and I would never ever choose earrings like this. And these are basically like a fuzzy hoop. Oops, just dropped that right in my box here. Like a fuzzy hoop with a metal, the metal back. I mean, they're cute. I doubt very much that I will ever wear them. And I did email them, and they said that I chose, this type of earring. There'd be no way in this world that I would ever choose this kind of an earring. I mean, it might look cute. I'm not going to put them on, but just not something that I would ever choose to wear. Basically, your plain metal, depends, maybe some, a little crazy stuff, but not anything in this realm. So this is the EarFleek for, I believe this was April of 2019. So their website, you can, I think you get on their website, you get to swipe left and swipe right on things you don't like and things you like, that this way they can gauge what type of earrings in your category, or just what type of earrings in general that you do like. So that is the video for today, and that's from EarFleek. And thanks so much for watching. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this type of subscription. If you would like these types of earrings, if you would consider joining. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.